welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to own backup my data in our Realme phone. Guys you want to own your backup my data in your Realme phone, so guys you can own your backup my data. And guys now let's see how to own backup my data in a Realme phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video, and we will on our phone setting to own guys backup my data. Then guys scroll it. So friends, you can see guys your phone system setting guys, tap here and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your backup and reset option, tap here guys. You can see backup my data guys. You want to own, you can own backup account guys, backup, add a backup account now. So you want to add guys in backup account, so you can add from here. So like that guys, you can own your backup my data in your Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching. Friends, you have any doubt related to guys your Realme phone setting, you can ask me in comment section. Bye friends. And guys, sorry for the sound.